What if I told you that you could create thumbnails just like your favorite YouTubers, whether it's Mr. Beast, the Stokes twins, or any other big creator, without spending a single penny or hiring an expensive editor? Sounds impossible, right? I mean, let's be real. When I first came across those jaw-dropping thumbnails from creators like Mr. Beast, I thought, there's no way I can make something that good on my own. But then I discovered this game-changing trick, and let me tell you, it's a total lifesaver. And it's not just me. A friend of mine tried this method for their channel, and their click-through rate went up by 25% just by upgrading their thumbnails. Imagine what that could do for your thumbnails. Are the key to getting clicks, and the better your thumbnail, the higher your chances of going viral. And now you can do the same. So stick with me till the end, because I'm not just going to show you how to create professional quality thumbnails. I'm going to make sure you can do it easily without any stress. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. It's going to change the way you create content forever. Thumbnails are one of the most important parts of your YouTube videos. They're literally the first thing people notice, and let's be real. If your thumbnail doesn't grab attention, your video won't get clicks. No clicks mean no views, no reach, and no chance of going viral. That's why every big YouTuber, whether it's Mr. Beast or the Stokes twins, invests so much time, money, and effort into creating the perfect thumbnail. But here's the thing. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars hiring a thumbnail editor or stress over complicated software to get that same professional quality. You can do it yourself for free using AI tools. And it's a lot easier than you might think. I remember when I first tried this method, it felt like a cheat code for creating professional thumbnails. I couldn't believe how easy it was. In this video, you'll learn how to replicate high-quality thumbnails from top creators, customize them to fit your style, whether it's tweaking text or even swapping faces. Yes, you can change the face in your thumbnail, and it's honestly shocking that you don't even need a photo shoot. And when it comes to text-based thumbnails, sometimes AI might mess up the text or not give you the best results. Don't worry, you can easily fix that without ruining the rest of your thumbnail. The best part? You don't need any fancy skills or experience. Just follow along step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be making thumbnails that can compete with the best of them. Let's get started. Step 1. Download inspiring thumbnails. First, you'll need to find a thumbnail from your favorite YouTuber that inspires you. For example, I'm opening a Mr. Beast video here. His thumbnails are always eye-catching, and I want something with a similar vibe. Now, what you're going to do is copy the link to the video. Once you've got the link, head over to the free tool I've linked in the description below. This tool allows you to download the thumbnail of any video in HD quality, completely free. Just paste the link into the tool, hit download, and boom! You've got the thumbnail saved to your device. Easy, right? You can repeat this process for multiple thumbnails if you want more inspiration or references. Save them all in a folder so they're ready for the next step. Step 2. Use ChatGPT for prompt generation. Now that we've got our thumbnail, let's move on to ChatGPT. Make sure you're using the latest version, whether it's on the web or the app, it doesn't matter. When you open ChatGPT, you'll see an option to upload images. Yes, ChatGPT can analyze images. I know, super cool, right? So upload the thumbnail you just downloaded. Once the image is uploaded, use the prompt I've provided in the description below. It's already written for you, so there's no guesswork involved. Hit generate, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will analyze the thumbnail and give you a detailed image prompt that you can use to create a similar thumbnail. And here's the best part. This method is so beginner-friendly. You don't need to think about complex descriptions or writing the perfect prompt. ChatGPT does all the heavy lifting for you. Step 3. Generate images using AI. Now that you've got your prompt, let's head over to the AI image generator. I'm using a tool called Ideogram here, and the link is, of course, in the description for you. Log in or create a free account if you haven't already. Once you're in, paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT into the input box. Now, before hitting generate, let's tweak the settings. Choose realistic as your style. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. That's the perfect size for YouTube thumbnails. And make sure the magic prompt option is turned on. Leave the other settings as they are. Hit generate and watch the magic happen. In a few seconds, you'll have a stunning thumbnail image that matches the vibe of the one you wanted to replicate. Now, a quick heads up. The free version of these tools might limit the image quality a bit. But don't worry, because I've got a solution for that too. Let's move to the next step. Step 4, enhance image quality. So the image looks great, but we're going to make it even better. To enhance the resolution, go to the free image upscaler tool I've linked in the description. Upload your image, and in just a few seconds, the tool will double the quality. Seriously, you'll notice a huge difference. It takes the image from good to amazing. Download the enhanced version, and now you've got a super crisp thumbnail ready to grab attention. Step 5, customize the thumbnail. Now let's personalize the thumbnail even more. This is where the real fun begins. First, if you want to swap the face on the thumbnail, say you want to add your own face, use the free face swapping tool I've included in the description. Just upload the original image and then upload a photo of yourself as the target face. The tool will do the rest, and it's super easy to use. Next, let's talk about text. Sometimes AI-generated thumbnails don't get the text right. Or maybe you just want to tweak the font or color to match your brand. For this, now, head over to Canva and select the YouTube thumbnail format. Upload your thumbnail and then click Edit. Once you're in, you'll see an option that says Grab Text. Click on that and it will automatically extract the text from your image so you can tweak it easily. You'll be able to adjust the text size, change the font, swap out colors, basically make it match your style perfectly. Once you're happy with how everything looks, download it in high quality and boom, your thumbnail is ready to shine. And just like that, you've created a high-quality thumbnail that'll make your video pop. How easy was that? From downloading inspiration to generating, enhancing, and customizing, it's all step by step, and you didn't spend a single penny. Let's quickly recap what we've done in just a few minutes. First, we downloaded inspiring thumbnails from some of the biggest YouTubers. Then, we used ChatGPT to create detailed prompts without writing anything ourselves. After that, we generated stunning custom images using AI tools, enhanced their quality with a free image upscaler, and finally personalized them by tweaking text and even swapping faces. And here's the best part. Every single step was easy, beginner-friendly, and completely free. You now have all the tools you need to create professional thumbnails without breaking a sweat. Now it's your turn. I challenge you to try this method today and create your own professional thumbnails. Whether it's for your next YouTube video or just for fun, I'd love to hear about your experience. Drop a comment below and let me know what kind of thumbnails you came up with. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you know someone else who could use this trick, go ahead and share this video with them. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because I've got some amazing content coming up. In my next video, I'll show you how to create a realistic avatar with perfect lip syncing and natural hand movements using AI tools. You don't want to miss that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!